Hey guys, so today I'm going to be replacing these sliders with these bar end sliders, the RNG. I mean, these look pretty, but they're not all that. They didn't do much of a good job, and if you see, they're quite loose. So yeah, I wanted to install some new ones, to be fair. So yeah, let's just install these ones. Quite heavy, to be fair. But it obviously shows that it's good quality. So what you're going to need is a 5mm hexagon type socket. So yeah, we'll just remove this first. It'll help if I actually put the right way on. There you go. It should just easily come off. And that's it. To install these, I'll line it all up. Give it a good twist. Yeah, looks pretty neat, to be fair. And then just replicate the same thing on the other side. If you like this, guys, if you like this video, please give me a comment, like and subscribe.